So, alright guys, I decided to why not make a trade recap. I'm still in this trade by 60%, oh sorry, 40%. Um, but I think I'll exit the trade for the day, even though we hasn't hit break even or, oh sorry, the last take profit yet. Um, because the clock it's 6 o'clock. What's that in New York time? It's like I think it's like 12 New York, and market open. What is that? Like four? Yeah, 4 hours ago. So yeah, that's a lot, and I'm not I'm not staying here very long. Like maybe I could go until 7 o'clock, like 1 p.m. I guess in New York time, because then the hourly closes, and if we actually manage to close above the with the hourly fair value gap, then then a positive we will hit the last and final take profit. But without further ado, let's go through this trade that I goddamn fucking won, and to end the horrible losing streak that we had on this, or that I had this Monday, with the bullshit ass price action. And yeah, so enough talking, and let's get to work then, shall we? So um yeah, we starting off by, actually before New York session opens, sweep these 4 hour lows, and um but they were swept like 30 minutes before New York open, and we hadn't, yeah, like 15-20 minutes before New York session open, and um we hadn't really begun to make a move out of it, and then we swept it again after that. So that was good for me, and then we actually makes a push above and break structure right here, as well as invalidates this 15-minute fair value gap. So we invalidate that, and that was a clear bullish confluence for me. Um, as well as hitting this 15-minute equilibrium right there. Like, this was really perfect. The thing was, it took a very long time for price to actually get back into this area. I could have entered right here off of that candle, really, but I wasn't gonna do that, because that didn't even hit the 50% mark of the fair value gap that I follow, and it did not hit the order block as well as the breaker block that was right there. Um, so yeah, I didn't think that was good enough, and lucky me, we get back to that area, and actually takes out the order block, and on top of that, the 50% mark of the fair value gap, as well as the 15-minute equilibrium. So I thought that was really good, and then we shopped around for a bit, and so yeah, 2 hours in, I took this trade, which is kind of late, but yeah, for me it works. Um, and so yeah, I didn't really, how do you say, I didn't really catch the move. I needed to calculate some positions and something like that. So instead of entering right there, I entered, yeah, there. So a bit worse, but it's okay. Still won. So um, yeah. So basically, when we hit that, get a big rejection out of it, we also invalidated these two fair value gaps, and that was really good for me because we had broken 5-minute structure before that, so to the downside. So invalidating those were really good. And yeah, from that we barely even came on under my entry point. We have basically been bullish the whole trade. So yeah, that's really beautiful. And my stop loss were positioned under the 5-minute fair value gap. I could have positioned them under that fair value gap, but then the risk to reward would have been really shitty compared to the first take profit. So yeah, and the take profits were based off of the first one were based off of this hourly fair value gap, the top of that fair value gap, and the other what were based off on top of these, what is it, hourly highs, I think. Yeah, hourly highs, and these are hourly highs as well. So yeah, that's the trade, and really happy to have won this. I think I made, let's actually check this. I think I made, let me just, oh shit. I think I made about $40-ish on this trade, and I have another, what is it, point one lot size still in this trade. So I'm up in the trade $15 right now, not so much. And the I took out, was it, I took out, damn, why can't I see that? Orders, order history, trade history. God damn it. Come on, man. Positions? No, of course not. What? No. Order history. Yeah, that's it. No, that's not it. Or? Bro, why is this so hard, man? Orders. No, that's wrong. Cash? No. Time? Nah. Whatever. I made about $40 today, so that's decent, you know. And yeah, so oh shit, now we're actually getting some legs up. That's an 15-minute BPR. So if we actually push above that and then push above the hourly fair value gap, that would be wonderful. Otherwise, I'll keep you guys updated with like a post on YouTube or something, and say if I won it or if I lost it. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Love and appreciate y'all. And yeah, one last thing, please tap into the live streams I have every single New York session. I schedule them so you can see when they are. I had one today, and I had one viewer. That was me. So yeah, that's kind of fucking terrible. So yeah, please tap in. Love and appreciate y'all. Bye.